My name is Captain Ashwin Dmello, and I'm the Marine Manager with the Dmello ship Aishima, India. So we are a big organization. I previously worked with Scorpio Marine. I was sailing with them and then shifted ashore in 2015. Then in 2022, I came to when I joined Dmello, and I saw people were using Excel. Excel is like, I could say, like Maruti 800. Okay. So you get something out of it, but when you have a lot of data churning, that tool may not give you a visualization that you need for an overview. Okay. And that is when I started, when I started taking interviews, my other co-workers and managers and marine heads started asking me, why are you asking the candidates Power BI? We don't have this software here. So that is when I said, but we are way far behind. If you have to understand data and get the results out of it and see where we are with the inspections, audits, or whatever, I said we have to have advanced tool, and I do not have the time to sit and do the crunching of those numbers or have the data in hand. So then one of my, who was supposed to be actually a speaker here, but then he said, why don't we do a course for everyone? I said, that would be great. And that is when CN Beyond and Captain Gaurav Rana came into the picture. And we did that course for the whole team and different departments, in fact, Excel and Power BI. And I'm glad to tell you that my team in the Marine Department and also the other departments, the PMS, the technical team, they are all using Power BI for using and generating data and presenting to the data to somebody who needs it. It becomes quicker, easier, simplified way of showing where we are going wrong or what needs to be done. As in the Marine, I can speak for myself. In the Marine Department, we have now wetting inspections, SIRE 2.0 for those who understand it, different ways, human process, tool, hardware, and negative observation, positive observations. And we have about 60, 70 ships. And with this kind of numbers that are coming on, we don't know where to head to and how to. So this is one part. Then we have internal audits. Then we have external flag state inspection, port state. And I wanted to we have navigation audit. Then we have various streams, cargo related. So many streams. And I wanted to get, let's say, out of navigation in all these vetting, cargo audits, internal audit, external, or how many observations have we got in total? Which are the ones that we have to cater to, which are repetitive? And to get this out of 60, 70 ships, we needed something to do, drastically change something. Okay. And we use also other softwares for mooring and all those things. And that also was a challenge. So we said, let's have our teams do this Power BI. So I explained to my other co-workers as well. I said, what is Power BI? What is Excel? How it can do? I showed them a simple way of what I knew basic. In fact, with CN Beyond and Captain Gaurav, I have done the course also by myself. So it's not only my team or somebody, but also that I have done. So everybody has done, most of them, and now they're using it, and it is becoming easier for us to analyze this data.